Now, being a T-Bird means you're joining a campus that cares. SUU students have volunteered for more than 200,000 community service hours, allowing students to serve, learn, gain experience, and ultimately make a difference. And there's no one better to talk about SUU's caring campus community than computer science major and chemistry minor, Skyler Clark. You are on, Skyler.
Thanks, Alex. What's up, guys? Attending SUU is one of the best decisions I've ever made. I grew up in a low-income family, and often we required financial assistance to get by. Opportunity was made possible for me thanks to the kindness of others, and naturally, I developed a desire to pay that kindness forward. And it wasn't until my brother went through detox for a severe alcohol dependency that I realized becoming a doctor was the best chance for me to reach that goal. I then asked a surgeon on advice where to start this journey, and he promptly told me to attend Southern Utah University. I was immediately sought out by advisors and student leaders who wanted to ensure that I was succeeding not just academically, but also emotionally, socially, and mentally. This had a profound impact on me to the point where I later volunteered to be a freshman orientation leader myself. One of the great things about SUU is that over 40% of our clubs are classified as service-based organizations. For the last 2 years, I have been the Bordeaux Beau, or Big Brother, for Alpha Phi, one of our Greek communities. The sisters at Alpha Phi spend significant time and effort in philanthropy and service. Their annual Red Dress events raises thousands of dollars for women's heart health. Both on and off campus, students at SUU are getting involved. For example, I volunteer for the nonprofit Needs Beyond Medicine, where we help Utah-based cancer patients pay for their non-medical expenses. We also host regular seminars all across the state, where we discuss the various aspects of cancer prevention. Through these opportunities of service, I've recognized that I've changed during my time at SUU. Students and faculty at SUU prioritize cooperation and collaboration rather than competition. I became a tutor for organic chemistry after being inspired by the tutor who helped me to pass the class. Additionally, after being accepted into medical school, I hosted a free workshop where I helped other pre-med students prepare their own application. All of these things were made possible thanks to the support and encouragement of SUU's faculty members. It's just the SUU way. For my computer science capstone project, I created an algorithm that can look at any chest x-ray and determine whether or not that individual has COVID-19 with a greater accuracy than that of a trained physician. All of my classmates, regardless of their own goals, assisted me in completing this life-saving technology. Being a T-Bird has prepared me to one day be the type of doctor that doesn't just care for people, but cares about them. Similar to the type of doctor who allowed my brother to have a second chance. That's my story, Alex. Back to you.
Skyler, you're an absolute rock star. Thank you for paying kindness forward and selflessly serving others. You're gonna make an amazing doctor someday. You're a force to be reckoned with, my man, and we appreciate you opening up and sharing your story. Thanks again, Skyler.